my name is Favor. Welcome to my channel. It's our Fenwick life. Today, we have a Grove collaborative unboxing. Oh my goodness. Look, you guys. I'm still pretty new to Grove collaborative. And I'm already hooked. I don't know what to tell you. I love it so much. I love that everything comes directly to my door. I love that I don't even have to think about it. It's shipped automatically. When you place an order, it goes into the system as your regular order. It shows in your cart, and they will ship it to you in intervals that you set. So if you want it every 2 weeks, every month, every 3 months, whatever the case may be, they will ship it to you in those increments. Being a VIP member, you get a free trial of the VIP membership when you first join with Grove Collaborative. After that, it is $20 a month or $20 a year for the membership, for the VIP membership. And with that, you get free shipping on everything. So I don't know, I just really think that's worth it. You also get free gifts quarterly, and I have received a cutting board. I've received some hand sanitizer, and I think, oh, and there's a free gift in this box as well. So, you know, it's just totally worth it. And when I first joined at Georgia Sunshine, I clicked on her link, and I was sent the little free gift, which was awesome, and I still use it. It's a little glass ceramic tray, a spray bottle with the window cleaner in it, and something else. I don't know, it's like a 5-piece free gift, and it kind of changes up every now and then, so just kind of look and see what the free gift is. It really is totally worth it, and such a cute addition. In fact, I liked it so much, I picked up a couple of extras so that I could give them as gifts to friends because I really like them, and it's completely free. So anyway, I will leave everything linked below so that if you want to give it a try, you can click on the link, or you can click on Georgia Sunshine's link, or you can click on Southern Yankees link, anybody's link that you want. We all appreciate it. So, okay, now this box, I was trying something new. I know everybody is so into the oils, the essential oils. I have had an oil diffuser. Is that what it's called? No. Whatever. I've had one before, and I didn't really like it. The scent that I would put in there just I wasn't happy with it. So Grove Collaborative now has their own, and I wanted to give it a try. So I did. And here are 2 of the 3 scents I ordered. I think it was a 3-pack that I ordered. One of them broke. No big deal. The box smelled heavenly though. At my front door, I opened the front door, and that's all I could smell was this beautiful aroma, and I was like, oh no, something broke. No big deal. I emailed Grove Collaborative. Minutes later, they replied to me, and they've replaced the item. Very simple. So these are the 2 that I have now, and one is Awake, one is Orange Essential Oil, and the other one was Sleep. And I love citrus scents. Citrus is my favorite. That's very strong because it's right here. But I like this to burn in my kitchen. To diffuse steam in my kitchen. And this one it's called Awake. That's so nice. It just sounded nice. And this one is Enlivening Blend. The Awake is bergamot oil, orange oil, lime oil, grapefruit oil, and lemon oil. How could you go wrong with that? So there you go. That one it just seemed very lovely. And the Sleep one was similar, but more soothing scents for the evening. So, okay. I also wanted to try, in the fall package I received, I pre-ordered my fall scents from Mrs. Meyer's, and along with that was a Grove candle. Oh, it smells so good. It's like cardamom, and it's so nice. So nice. I've burned it already. But I wanted to try the Mrs. Meyer's. This is the scented soy candle, and this is the pumpkin scent. And I just really wanted to try it. Oh, it's lovely. Oh, it's so lovely. Oh my goodness, so into these pumpkin and seasonal scents right now. There you go. Oh, yes. And it's a smaller soy candle. Oh, it smells amazing. Battery light is flashing. And I wanted a scrubber. This one is a nice size and it's easy to hold, so I had them included in my box this month. And it is, I think it's new. I think it's a new item. Grime Buster, grout and tile brush. Yes, I do have grout and tile. Lots of it because my shower and both bathrooms is tile. All right. Here was my free gift. This is Yes to Coconut Ultra Hydrating Energizing Coffee 2-in-1 Scrub and Cleanser Stick. Nice. I can't really smell it. Everything smells like the oil. But here's my free gift this month. Alrighty. Okay. And then these are the microfiber all-purpose cloths. I have 2 already. I really like them. These I don't use for grit and grime. I use these for polishing surfaces, glasses, windows, things like that. That I want to keep these in really good shape. I have the disposable kind that I use to like scrub my floor and my baseboards and things like that. But these I keep a little bit nicer, keep for nicer things because they're a nicer quality. And I don't want to damage them. But I did take one with me on our trip just recently so that I could clean my glasses and my sunglasses and my camera equipment and stuff like that. It did an excellent job. Now, I love this toothpaste. Love it. I use both of them. This one is the sensitive formula. This is the charcoal. I will be going to the dentist soon, and I did talk to my dentist, and he does have opinions about this. So once I go and see him, I will let you know his opinions, but he didn't tell me not to use it. And I love it. I honestly have to tell you, this sensitive formula has worked better than anything I have ever purchased anywhere. Any toothpaste brand for sensitivity. And I have super sensitive teeth. And this has made a massive difference for me. I really like it. And this, I am a heavy coffee and tea drinker and an ex-smoker. This stuff has made a major difference for me. I love these. I will forever use these. And even if my dentist says you need to still use Crest, fine, I'll use Crest and these. I really love them. Really, really love them. Okay, and then here was a limited edition scent from Meyer's Clean Day, and it is the Compassion Fruit. Is that what it says? Compassion Flower. I just wanted to try it. It was a limited scent, and we go through these frequently. Oh, that's nice. I like that one. I really like that one. Okay, floral scent. I love floral scents, but too much floral scent can be unpleasant for me. That one was fantastic. Okay, and this is a new one I wanted to try. This is the Method Heavy Duty Degreaser. I actually want this to clean my grill out back. So I'm going to let you know what I think about this when I do a heavy duty degreasing and cleaning of my outdoor grill. So grease, burnt on messes and splatters. So I really am excited about giving this a try. And then one more, this is, oh, the washing machine cleaner. Sorry, my camera died, my battery died. I have a top-loading HE washer, top loader, so I don't have the front loader, I have a top loader. And I have lots of dogs and cats, and I am forever washing their bedding and their, we call them their night-nights, their blankets and things like that. And I do run a clean cycle on my washing machine frequently. And I just wanted to give this a try and see if it really would help really freshen up the machine. It is a fresh citrus scent. Let me open this and give it a sniff. I love that everything comes packaged safely at Grove. So even though that essential oil opened, it was fine. It didn't get all over everything. Oh, it's closed. Yeah, it's like a spicy citrus. So it probably has a lot of lemon in it. Fine, that's fantastic. And it's a, you're supposed to spray it in your washing machine and then let it sit and then run the clean cycle. So definitely want to give this a try, and I will let you know what I think of it. And last but not least, the diffuser. Yeah, The Grove Collaborative Ultrasonic Diffuser, 60 milliliter capacity. I want to give this a try. I want to diffuse beautiful scents in my home, and not just the two from Grove Collaborative, the two that I picked up. I'd like to try like some, I don't know, some fall scents and Christmassy scents. I'm going to pick up some, just kind of look and see what I can find. So this one is new. This is new on their site, and I did pick up the, it's like a gray. Let me open this all the way. It's a glass greenish gray. I just think it's so pretty. And here's the inside. There you go. I don't know. I need to read the directions. I obviously haven't used it. But it's just really, really pretty, really elegant. It's not one of those big ones. And I honestly think my cats will leave this one alone. So I just think it's so pretty. Isn't that beautiful? I mean, seriously. Nice little glass. It's a grayish green color. They do have a white one. I just think it's so, so pretty. So we will give that a try, and on my next Grove order or in one of my weekly vlogs, I'll let you know what I think of all of the things that I've received here. Now, I will tell you, a couple of you suggested that I use the dryer balls. I really like them. I like them a lot. I do still use the dryer sheets mixed in because I purchased them so that way I can go through them. But I really am liking the dryer balls. I have to keep them away from my dog because she thinks they're a toy. But there you go. And then once I'm through with my dryer sheets, I will begin using the essential oils on the dryer balls, as they do sell it in a set like that. And I really, really like that. And I want to give that a try, especially for like the sheets, your sheets and your towels and things like that. Definitely. Oh, especially for the dog stuff. Although I don't use these when I'm drying the dog's towels and things, because they would be covered in hair and I don't want that. So maybe I'll get them their own. Anyway, so there you go. That's it. I am really enjoying Grove. I really am. I'm using the Method Laundry Detergent. Oh, I also have another one that is the little packs that you throw in. I'll put a little picture here. The packs that you throw in on your whites or your heavy duty. I really like that. My whites are coming out clean and fresh and white. I really, really appreciate that. And I do, of course, love the ginger mango scent. Love it a lot. So there you go. So we will continue to use Grove, and I gotta tell you, I'm really happy about it. I do have, oh, the countertop cleaner. I'll put a picture here. I did pick up the Mum, the pumpkin, and the apple cider scent. Yes, they smell lovely. And the candles. Oh yeah, it was lots of fun. So jump on over. I am not able to find those scents at Target, so you might want to jump on the Grove and see if you can find them. You never know. So, and while you're at it, if you're new, you can get the new welcome kit. Just saying. It's lots of fun. I really like it. It's really pretty. Grove, as Southern Yankee said, as Terry said with Southern Yankee, they have a way of making you enjoy getting cleaning products. I mean, seriously. How excited should I have been about getting a degreaser? I mean, really. Anyway, all right. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll join us on our weekly vlogs and our travel vlogs. Everything is right there on the channel. I hope you'll join us, and we will see you next time. Bye.